Hello friends, today we will show you an amazing experiment of the hydroelectricity, how electricity is produced and how turbine works. Here you see, this is the setup of a turbine, right? This is the setup of a turbine. This is the pad or blade, you can say. Whenever it rotates, you see it is attached with the big wheel, and the big wheel is coupled with a small wheel, and this is attached with a generator or dynamo. Here you see, whenever we rotate this blade, then it rotates the shaft of the dynamo, and the dynamo produces electric current. That is the way in which a turbine works, right? Now you see, on which principle the dynamo works. We know that the dynamo works on the principle of Fleming's right hand rule. You see here, this is our right hand, and if the three fingers, that is the forefinger, the middle finger and the thumb, are perpendicular to each other, then the forefinger represents the direction of magnetic field, the middle finger represents the direction of electric current, then the thumb represents the direction of force. Therefore, we already told you that a dynamo or a generator works on the principle of Fleming's right hand rule. Now, if we rotate this wheel, what happens? If we rotate this wheel, you see that mechanical energy is changing into electrical energy. You see, this is mechanical energy. Mechanical energy means kinetic energy plus potential energy. And when we rotate this wheel of this one, the blade, when we rotate the blade, you see here the LED is glowing. You see here, that is, mechanical energy is converting into electrical energy, and that's the way how dynamo or generator works. What happens in case of hydroelectricity? This is a fall of water from higher height on the blade, in this blade, and whenever the water falls on this blade, it rotates, and the second blade comes, and the water again hit this blade, and again it rotates, and we get a continuous flow of electric current in that method. We'll show you how this hydroelectricity is produced with the help of dynamo or turbine. See, this is the setup of a turbine. It works on the principle of Fleming's right hand rule, and this is the dynamo or generator. A dynamo or generator is a device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Here you see, there is no battery, there is no AC or DC current. With the help of mechanical form of energy, we are converting it into electrical form of energy. Now you see, here we will show you that whenever we fall water on this blade, it rotates continuously, and it gives continuous flow of electric current, and which you see that the LED will glow continuously. Now we will show you this, how water is falling this blade and electric current produced in this LED. Now I am giving a demonstration. You see here how it works. Let us take it to the water, and you see how hydroelectricity is producing in this method, how turbine rotates, and in the method of rotating of turbine, electricity is produced, continuous electricity is produced. Now I will show you in this experiment. Here is the demonstration. Hello friends, you see here, this is the setup, and we will show you how water falls on the blade of this setup, and it rotates continuously, and it produces continuous current which helps to the LED to glow. You see here how you are giving water, that is in hydroelectricity, water falls from a height, it falls on the blade of this setup. Whenever the blade rotates, it is coupled with the shaft of the dynamo, that it is rotating, the big wheel is rotating, the small wheel also rotates, and it helps the shaft of the dynamo to rotate, and the mechanical energy is converting into electrical energy, and it works on the principle of Fleming's right hand rule, as I already explained to you. Now we see how this is working. We are giving water in this way. You see how electricity is continuously producing in this method, right? This is hydroelectricity, that water helps the blade to rotate, and the blade is coupled with the dynamo, and the dynamo rotates, and we know that mechanical energy is changing into electrical energy. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.